Hey guys, it's Heather's mom here. We are in Cozumel. It's about 7:15 in the morning. I did see a couple other ships and I do see the other ports, and I wanted to quickly come out and get some video footage before they come in and block our view. So we are in Cozumel. I am really excited to be here. I know this is a favorite of a lot of cruisers and cruise vloggers. So we're going to the beach today, to some beach club, but this is it so far. I'll be bringing you our entire day. And just like I said, there's gonna go our beautiful view. As here comes another ship. Is that a fantasy? So we'll take it in while we can for the next few seconds before we can't. Looks like there's the Margaritaville, and they also do have the senior frogs. We see that in Nassau all the time. So we just finished breakfast. There's a couple of Carnival ships in port. I think that's the mainland of Mexico over there. There's a lot of ships here today. So just as we said, Odyssey of the Sea, who actually has way nicer chairs than we do on their balcony. They're obstructing our view right now, but we still got a pretty little view over there. You could still see something. It's definitely sunnier than it was a little while ago. Now Papa's obstructing the view. No, I'm just kidding. We talked to people on the elevator and they said that they're just gonna wing it today. Comment below how many of you just wing it when you're in port and take your own cabs and go to your own excursions. We're not so brave. We're heading out to our excursion. So we're off the ship. It was very easy disembarking. We were like the only people leaving at that moment. And here is beautiful Cozumel. We're meeting everybody. We're meeting at 10:45, but we got here really early because we know better. Okay, we're heading into town, into wherever we're supposed to meet our excursion. Pretty. There's lots of ships here today. So we just went to our excursion and we were told that you could see how rough the water is today. They're not allowing any swimming. They do have a pool and we can lay on the beach and look at the water. We just can't go in the water because of how rough it is. So we had a couple options. We could have done a different excursion, but we figure it's probably all the beach excursions. It's probably the same rules about the swimming. So we're just gonna go and just have a chill day. And if we get hot, we will have a swimming pool to go in. Ooh, everyone's partying already. Woohoo! It's really hopping already. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're waiting now. We have our orange bracelets on. My hand keeps getting in, I'm sorry. So we're going to, they did take 20% off because we can't swim in the ocean.
The guy said, don't tell anybody that. Now you just told the whole world.
He probably told everybody, don't tell everybody that. So I can't wait to show you guys. So we are getting on buses to go to our destination. So we're on the bus. The bus is very modern. We have seat belts. That's a big thing. I get really nervous. So we are here at Playa Mia. I'm thinking Playa Mia means my beach. Very authentic looking here. Very true to the culture. Wow, it looks absolutely beautiful here. And we are entering Playa Mia. We can go on the beach, we just can't go in the water, and the water looks so beautiful, but it does look really rough. So, oh, and they have a couple pools. They have one here. So here we are. It really is very beautiful. A lot of seaweed. I heard that about the beaches down here. We are not allowed to swim, but it is a very pretty view. Very pretty color. And we do have the pool if we so choose. I was a little bummed about no umbrellas, but it's really very cool here. It's not hot at all here. So I did notice that family over there is going up to their ankles, it looks like, and nobody's stopping them. So I guess they don't care if you dump your feet in. They just don't want you to swim. We're trying to figure out why the water's not rough. We're just wondering if it's just the excessive seaweed. Maybe that's a safety hazard, or maybe they just don't have lifeguards on duty. So it is very pretty, the water. If you look at it, you see the different pools. It is very pretty. They are playing very loud copyright music, so I have to talk quickly. The bartender just came over. He was so nice. Just really nice man, talking to us for a while. Just to give you an idea, I'm not sure if just people didn't sign up for this excursion or if they canceled because of the whole no swimming, but it is very empty here. Just showing the rest of the resort here. It is very pretty. It did get very good reviews from people who went here. It's very pretty with the trees and the greens and the blues. But one thing that is not pretty is this. This is a little bit of an eyesore. It'd be nicer if it was a nice, like, wooden one. There's people up there. I'm not gonna show it, but they are getting massages, which sounds wonderful. Papa's being a rebel and sticking his feet in. Is it really? Oh. He said it is way warmer than Coco Cay, and we can't go in. That's what happens. Papa forgot his hat today. Trademark Papa Vacay hat, and he left it in the room. We got some rebellious people out there in the water. They are swimming and they don't care. They don't care what that red flag waving in the wind says. Looks like they just got flagged and asked to leave the area. And looks like they're ignoring them. I'm going down to the water. Gonna get my feet in. They don't seem to mind feet, ankles. You don't get yelled at. I just gotta walk through the seaweed. Ew, it's gross. So lots of seaweed where that came from. Oh, the water's beautiful. Water's beautiful. So, just walking along the seaweed shore here. Show you. It's very beautiful. They also look like they do have some kiddie things here, some jungle gyms and trampolines, and maybe some of these things go in the water when swimming's allowed. Here I sit with this beautiful water. On the swimming situation, it looks like the staff member is there and he is letting people go out as far as him. They just can't go any further. So I'm not trying personally, but others have. So this excursion was only 3 hours. Very short. They usually are. They usually go very fast. So we're heading out. Here is the one of the pools. We're about 15 minutes early, so we're gonna go take a look in some of the shops here. Here's the other pool. We didn't do the pools today because we kind of wanted to just enjoy the beach, even though we couldn't swim. We just wanted to enjoy ourselves. Doesn't look like there's any lounge chairs around the beach, around the pool, I mean. We're going through the market. If anybody knows me, they know I have to get a Christmas ornament everywhere I go. Today's no exception. So I did get my ornament, and it does say Cozumel on it. That'll be a nice memory at Christmas time, which, you know, starts in October in our house. Yeah, it looks like here they also have a chocolate place. Mama and Papa. So we have a couple minutes. We're gonna go on in here. We have chocolate bars. Wow. Interesting chocolate. I wonder if any of it's vegan. Probably not. Show our ship ID. Here's some nice shops. This reminds me a lot of Aruba's port, this area. They had something very, very similar to this. And here's the port. It's really cool. I just was told that he'll make me look 20 years younger, that guy. I know. No, I know. That's fine. Some more shops. Yeah, thank you. Here's some shops. These are hardworking people here. Here we go. Looks like hubby is done shopping. We're gonna go back to the ship.
What?
This is where we started the day. Things are still partying over at Margaritaville. So everyone's heading back in, including us. So we're heading back to the ship now. It was a fun day. It was a little disappointing not being able to swim, but could have been worse things that happened. Take you see some of Cozumel. We're gonna wait in port about probably 2 hours, I think, until we sail away. There she is. We're back on the ship. One of the things I really love doing is just watching all the people come back on. We don't have a good view of the port, but we do have a peekaboo view, I guess you could say. Okay, so Odyssey of the Seas is leaving. Saying goodbye to everybody.
Roatan!
Just told them where they're going to be. They're strangers. Hi, Odyssey. They're leaving. Odyssey left, so we get our view back, even if it's just for a couple of seconds. Everybody, so this is Cozumel at night. It's very, very quiet. I always like looking at the pier at night. It's so different than the morning. It's just this whole quietness. So there's Margaritaville with nobody, and there's the Cozumel sign I got my picture at earlier. So the gangway is still down, and they made an announcement for somebody to please call the front desk. They named him by name. So I'm wondering, since we're about 15-20 minutes past sail time, if and the gangway's still down, if somebody didn't make it back in time. Let's see if somebody comes running along. There's the view. The people are still there. So we are leaving Cozumel. Not sure if anyone was left behind or not, but we're leaving without them. Thought it would have made a good thing for the vlog, but that's okay. So say bye, Cozumel. Bye. It's almost dark here.
So that was Mama and Papa Vacay's day in Cozumel. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So if you did, I would absolutely love if you could subscribe to my channel. We have a lot more content coming up from this cruise, dash future cruises that you do not want to miss. Thank you for watching. Your vacation is out there.